our baking Bible. I know I have talked about our baking Bible before. I talk about it in my blog posts all the time. We have a book. It's called On Baking, 3rd edition. We use it for everything. We have 2 copies of it. My mom has a paper copy. She keeps all of her notes in there. If she adjusts recipes, anything like that, she writes it down in there. I have a digital copy that I use and my sister use when we're looking up recipes, when we're looking up, like if we're like, oh, what, how, why, it's most likely in there. Like, it is amazing. We tell everybody, get it. If you're going to have a baking business, get it, because it just has so much information, so you're not like constantly trying to search the internet going, wait, what is reliable? Like, they're saying this and they're saying this. Like, how do I know which one's great? This book, yes. So it's called On Baking, 3rd edition. Love it. The biggest problem that most people have is how to price product. It is definitely something that can be really complicated, and if you don't do it right, it can break your company. If you don't make money, you can't stay in business, and so it's a really important thing to understand. We are in luck because my mom spent the last 20 years in accounting, and so she understands how to price and cost to ensure that we cover all of our expenses. And so we have built a worksheet that we use when it comes to pricing, and so we want to share that with anybody who's in the baking business and they're like, I really got to get my pricing under control. If you're like, I really want to start a baking business, or I really want to kind of do my own thing on the side, but I'm not really sure where to go. Like, if you've ever searched it, there's lots of different information out there, and it's all over the place, and you're having to go here and there and all over the place. And so we put that into an ebook for you, the steps you take and kind of how to get your baking business going. It's called How to Successfully Launch Your Baking Business. So the link is in the description. You can click on it and go sign up for your chance to win a free copy. In the book, you will understand the steps that you need to take to start your business. We go over how to financially decide what products you should offer. We have a whole method that we use to determine if it makes financial sense to offer certain products. We talk about how to change your mindset about your pricing and how to price your products to recoup your cost and make a profit, which is something that's really hard in the industry to figure out. And so we have a method to the way that we do that, and we share that with you. We also go over why it's so important to have your email list. Ooh, I love email lists. I love growing email lists. They're like my fave. But there's a whole reason that we love email lists, and we go over all of that. And we also talk about how to manage your bookkeeping. There's not a whole lot about financials when it comes to running your own baking business, and not everybody has somebody who has been in accounting. We're lucky because we have 2 people who are in accounting in our business, and so we talk a little bit about pricing, we talk a little bit about bookkeeping, and then we go over everything so that you can get your financials set up so that you can get rolling in your baking business. And then we talk about a whole lot more. It is over 100 pages, and it's packed with all kinds of great information. If you are not signed up for the Cool Club, you should. There's a link in the description. Every month we send out a, hey, this is what we're doing. How's things going with you guys? And then we share recipes, baking tips, blog posts, just kind of everything that's going on in our world. So if you have not signed up for it, I highly suggest you do. We send it out the first of every month. So that was, I don't know, Sunday? Yeah, Sunday. So if you didn't open it, you should go back and check your emails. It is there on Sunday. I don't think it was super early in the morning when I sent it out. I think it was like midday. Yeah, something like that. So definitely go back and check. I want to say thank you guys. I see all kinds of people hopping on and saying hi. Hey Chris, hey Lacey, hey Eileen, hey Cam. Thank you guys for stopping in today and seeing me. I'm like, look at my hair. My hair looks crazy. I'm just like, ugh. That was a snort. My bad. It is what it is. So I just want to remind you guys, if you're watching this live, then you should totally be following us and liking us on Facebook. If you haven't, I would like you to do that after this. I mean, obviously you want to continue seeing this pretty face and stay on this live, but after the live, go ahead and make sure that you like and follow us on Facebook. We are on other social media. We are on Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest, which is my favorite, which I say all the time because I love Pinterest. So if you're following us on Facebook, we highly suggest and invite you to come follow us on our other social media. for listening to Perfectly Pastry Podcast, where we help other bakers and entrepreneurs improve their baking and business skills. Until next time.